there's been no discussion around that at all. It's been from day one submitting a plan through the interview process. It's about building a side that is capable of winning a World Cup in 2023. Obviously, look, we know we're not entirely happy with the results. So from my point of view, the pressure comes on because we're humans and we're very competitive people and we like to win. And we want to win all the time. But no, there has been no conversation around my future or the future of any of the coaches, depending on these results.
Forwards first.